Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm going to be reviewing and demoing for you the wired to wireless Binize CarPlay adapter. Really awesome product, very simple. If your car is equipped with Apple CarPlay, but it's wired Apple CarPlay, where every time you get in your car you have to plug the cable into your phone in order to use CarPlay, this will convert that to wireless. It's very simple and it just works. Very small device, doesn't take up a lot of space at all. I mean, it's tiny. You can see the size of it compared to a quarter. It's very small, very thin. So you just take this, you plug it in to your Apple CarPlay port, and they include in the box both the USB-C to USB-C as well as USB-C to USB wires. So whatever your car has, you're good to go. You plug this in and then you're all set, and you get wireless Apple CarPlay that will work exactly the same as your wired CarPlay does. Now this device is equipped with both 2.4 and 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi, so your whatever iPhone you have that supports CarPlay, you're going to get the fastest connection to assure that your CarPlay works smoothly and works just as well as it did when it was wired, except now it's wireless. You can leave your phone in your pocket or throw it on a car mount. You don't have to plug anything in, and that's great. Setup on this is very easy. The first time you plug that box in, it's gonna bring up the screen and you're gonna see the name of the Bluetooth. You're gonna go into your phone settings. You're gonna choose that Bluetooth to connect to it. Your phone will connect to it. After that, it may ask you a few questions, such as do you want to allow contacts to sync? Do you want to pair this device? Ultimately, do you want to use CarPlay with this device? Of course, you'll say yes to all of those things. Once you're done, you're set up and ready to go, and now you have wireless CarPlay in your car. Subsequent times when you get into your car, you don't have to do anything. You just start your car up, and you'll see me in my Hyundai Ioniq 5 doing this, start my car up and have my phone not connected to anything. And once my car gets situated, it takes my car not a minute, but number of seconds to like really get going and connect to CarPlay and all that stuff. Once it does, it just works. CarPlay is there. It's wireless. You didn't have to pull your phone out of your pocket. You didn't have to plug anything in. You're good to go. All with a simple, tiny little box. Very powerful little box. Works great. Now it does support OTA upgrades, so if there are firmware updates in the future, you can update this device, and instructions on how to do that are included. But generally speaking, you don't have to worry about that. It's just good to go. You just plug it in, it works, and you're all set. Now, instead of having to get your phone out of your pocket, plug it in every time, because of this wired to wireless CarPlay adapter from Binize, you don't have to do that anymore. Now you have wireless CarPlay in your car, which is what every car should come equipped with, but a lot of them still don't, and Binize has taken care of that for you. You plug this in, now you have wireless CarPlay, and it works great. All the apps and everything, maps and all that good stuff, it works exactly the way it did before when I was plugging my phone in, but now I have wireless. So if you have a car that is wired CarPlay, you got to get this, because who wants to be messing with wires? At this time in the world, there's no reason to be messing with wires when you don't have to, right? Technology is advanced. Wireless technology is so advanced, and this little box from Binize will take care of that for you. So pick this up, plug this into your car, and go wireless. It is the best experience with CarPlay, and this device works great for it. If you're looking for a way to do that, then this little CarPlay wireless adapter from Binize is definitely one that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those words are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist, so you can keep up with future product reviews. If you have any questions, just post them down below. I will do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.